Good evening, everyone. My name is Sona Ajit, counselor at Advice International. Today, I am going to discuss about supply chain management course, benefits, advantages, and career opportunities in studying abroad. So, first, what is supply chain management? Before learning about supply chain management careers, it is important to understand the field itself. Put simply, supply chain management, also commonly referred to as logistics, is all about the production, shipment, and distribution of products. It covers everything from inventory to sales and is an important element of any business that makes and sells products. Supply chain management is about getting things from A to B, and in an increasingly globalized world, this field offers a promising career perspective. There are several key components of the overall supply chain management and logistics process, including investment recovery, distribution, inventory control, logistics, manufacturing supervision, materials management, packaging, procurement and purchasing, product and service development, quality control, receiving, strategic sourcing, transportation and shipping, warehousing and storage. Next is about, as a student, you can expect from a supply chain management degrees, and chances are more to get into better career with decent salary. So, how can you acquire the practical knowledge and hands-on training needed to launch a supply chain management career? It turns out your best bet is to obtain a formal education. A student can choose various course levels under UG and PG level related to supply chain management courses, varies from diploma, advanced diploma, postgraduate diploma, bachelor's, master's, and PhD levels. Accreditations of supply chain management courses are SCM certifications, CITL, certified in International Transportation and Logistics, CITLP, certified International Trade, Shipping and Logistics Professional, CICCM, certified International Commercial Contracts Manager. And common supply chain courses are expect to business research and analysis, management of information systems, international business, principles of supply chain, procurement and supplier relations, transportation and distribution management, supply chain risk and compliance, inventory management. Career perspectives are ideal for graduates with a degree in supply chain management or logistics. A university education focusing on supply chain management will guarantee a plenty of job options. Graduates from specialized bachelor's or master's in supply chain management as well as logistics will have huge advantage. There are many universities and colleges throughout countries abroad where you can get a supply chain degree. Next is about careers in supply chain management for degree holders. The most typical job titles are purchasing agent. Median annual salary will be $64,380, and operations manager salary will be $107.80. Logistics analyst $74,750. Purchasing manager $121,110. Supply chain manager $110,630. Logistician $74,750. Logistics manager $94,560. Production planning and expediting clerk $48,260. Storage and distribution manager $94,560. So what you can do is, graduates in this field can choose the career path that best aligns with their own skills and interests, and no matter what supply chain position you choose, you can feel satisfaction knowing you are helping to provide products to the people who need them. If you're ready to start pursuing your perfect supply chain management career, you can reach out with Advice International. Advice will conduct a virtual fair on 17th November on tomorrow, Tuesday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. via Zoom platform. Participating universities are Aberystwyth University, University of Strathclyde, University of Warwick, University of Kent, Sheffield Hallam University, University of Plymouth, University of Westminster, University of Nottingham, Niagara College, Iowa State University, Portland State University. If anyone has any doubt and queries, please reach out Advice branches or any other social media platforms like Facebook, Insta, or you can dial our toll-free number 1800-1020-336 or 8600-911-333. The respective country counselor from respective branches will contact you on proper time. You can expect timely response and valuable services from us. Hope you understand about supply chain management course in overall. Let's move to question answer session. You can drop questions on message box. So I can see one question. It's from Gobi Krish. Hello, I'm done supply chain in Madras University and working with 5 years experience in logistics and supply chain. Can I get job in Canada with any short course? Yes, of course. Gobi, you will get job after studying Canada. You can choose either MPA programs related to supply chain management. Okay, hope everyone can understand about supply chain management and everything. So let me wind up the session. So if you have any queries, you can reach out to Advice International virtual counseling session. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.